Hi creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We all know that as creators, one of the major reasons why we come here on YouTube to put out content is because we want to get monetized, right? The second reason can be that you want to impact people. But we agree that one of the reasons is because we want YouTube to pay us. And so therefore, getting your watch hours has become a really big tax for a lot of us, right? You are not alone on this. I am still growing and I'm looking towards getting my watch hours. And this is the reason why I'm putting out this video for you. In this video showing up here, I shared in excitement how I got monetized using silent live stream, right? But for that particular video, I talked about how I use static images that I generated from Google and also from ChatGPT, right? You can actually click on this link up here to watch the video. Now, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you in details how you're going to be able to use videos. Sincerely, I never knew you can actually share videos as pre-recorded, materials here on YouTube. I got to find out on another creator, and this is the reason why I always encourage you that you should go and put your video. You never can tell who you are helping. You never can tell who is going to see your content and when they will see your content. So I'm going to be sharing a screen record of my phone, showing you how how you can easily share pre-recorded videos, not using Restream, you're not using StreamYard, you're not using any external site. You are doing this directly from your YouTube app. And of course, for YouTube to give you that option, it simply means that it is okay. It is allowed. You're not doing anything illegal. Now, the live streaming that recorded video can be either silent, or you can decide to talk at the background, or you can decide to even do a recording that already has voicing, right? For the one I used a video that is silent, and while I was live streaming the video, I got to engage with my audience, people who I saw watching. I kept saying things at the background, making them know why I was doing the live stream, and then we're able to interact. You too can do this and get your watch hours faster, right? Let's say you don't have enough time to sit down like I used to do and do a face live stream. You can do a faceless live stream this time around, but using videos. It's a very simple tutorial. All you need to do is to pay attention to the end of this video. If you swipe up on time, you won't be able to get the information. So please pay attention to the end so you don't miss out on any vital information. Go ahead and practice it. And also don't forget that it is not a get rich quick scheme, right? You have to do it consistently for a while and see if it works for you or not. But I'm hoping that yes, if it's working for others, definitely you can also do it and it will work for you. If my silent live stream works for me, then it can also work for you, right? So go ahead and try it.
All right, to get started, we're going to head on to YouTube app, right? We're doing this from YouTube app. So you're going to click on the plus icon where you have video, shorts, live, and photo. And you're going to head on and click live, right? We want to go live, but we're not going to be having a live stream like directly where I'm going to sit down and just record. I'm going to play a pre-record video. So where I have this camera showing, I'm going to click on it to hide the video, right? To hide the live. Not hide it from the public, but hide so my camera will not be showing my face or any other thing. So I'm going to continue by clicking on the pencil icon, right? To put up my setup. Right, I'll click this to put on my setup. So on this pencil part, I'm going to either take a thumbnail or use an already existing thumbnail. I'll take a thumbnail, I'll use an already existing thumbnail. Let me just use one because I want us to be fast with this tutorial. Let me just use this one. It's not, not showing my face. Let me look for one that is showing my face. Better still, you can just create a thumbnail, right? It's better you just create a thumbnail for this. This is the thumbnail I'm using for the live streams. I'll say, uh, 3 minutes with my mom. All right. Okay. You can just put any title that you want for your description. Also, go ahead and put your description. Describe what the video is about. Put your hashtag. Put a link, right? Put a link here. put SEO keywords in the description. When you're done with that, this is the important part of this live stream. Now, for me who is monetized, I want to go ahead and turn my monetization on, enable monetization. Even though this live stream is not going to last for a very long time, but I'll still enable my monetization, right? So when I'm done with that, now this is where we are going to continue. This is the main place for this pre-recorded live stream. You see where you have screencast, you click on screencast, right? When I've clicked on screencast, don't touch any other thing. Just go ahead and click on next, right? You are going to answer the question if it's made for kids or not. You say no, it's not made for kids, and click on next. Now, when you click on next, the next interface is going to be this. It's going to give you this interface, and what you want to do now is to click on got it, right? So it's going to give you option, a single. When you click here, it's a single app or entire screen. I want to click. I want to share a single app, which is my gallery. So I'm going to click on single app, and I'm going to click on start, right? I'll allow this to open up, give it some time to open up. The app I want to share here has not, okay, this is it. It has opened up. So I have my gallery. Now please go ahead and record the video you want to share, right? Go ahead and record the video you want to share. Ensure that it is recorded on your phone. You click on gallery, it's going to come up like this, right? This is the interface. This is what the interface looks like, right? This is what the interface now looks like. Here you have your video, here you have your mic, here you have comments. The comment is turned off here. You have settings, then you have the button to say go live. This means I'm not yet live, right? This means I am not yet live. So I want to go ahead and pick the video that I want to live stream. So I'm going to click on the video I want to live stream, which is this one. I want to stream this one. I'm going to also go ahead and loop it. I'll check if this is already
Should I be
looped,
boasting my
right?
mom because one of the favorite things I
Click
like
here, you see
to
that this
post my
one is
mom
loop one, right?
yearly.
It's already on loop.
This was the one
Ensure that you
from
leave it on loop
January
because
this
the
year.
video
I
is
went to
very
post
short.
her
If you have a
stream. It
one
was
hour
session one
video,
live.
that's better. If you have a 1 hour video, that is better. But if you don't, then just go ahead and leave it on loop. Now the next thing is I want to turn off my mic. I want to turn off my camera, right? So that they're not seeing me. Then I'm going to leave I can actually still turn off my mic, right? I'll turn off my mic. Then for chat, I'll turn on my chat so people can chat me and then I'll see it and respond. I'm also going to check my settings, right? There's nothing there. Then the next thing is to click on go live. Once I click on go live, this will automatically begin to go live, right? Once I click on go live, this will begin to go live. I won't click on that now because I do not want to go live. But this is all. But now when you do this, right, you can always come back to respond to chats. Like I said, I left my chat on, so when there's chat, I will see it. I'll respond to my chat. And I was also advised uh for sake of the video or the liking to last for a longer time, you can actually use a longer video, probably 10 minutes video, 15 minutes video. But please let the video have value. Let the video have value. Let it be valuable enough for someone to watch and be able to interact with the video. I hope you get the point. The moment I click on go live, this video automatically goes live. But I'm not doing that, so I'm just going to go back. Right, this is it.
The first time I actually had this live stream, this was what the result looks like. I had about 4 persons join in. I had one like, I had some comments in the first few minutes. If you've come to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I'm hoping that you got value for the time you spent here. If you have anything that you want me to clarify, go ahead and leave it in the comment section and I'm going to respond to it. And if you have a video in mind that you'd like me to do an explainer for, no problem. Go ahead and leave it in the comment section and I'm going to still do an explainer video for you. If there's anything you want to ask me, my WhatsApp number is on my bio. You can click on it to chat with me privately. If you are new on YouTube and you're trying to find your footing, you don't know how to go, you don't know what to do, this playlist up here can serve as your guide. If you're already on YouTube, you can click on this one showing down here. It's also going to serve as a guide on different topics that I've created content around. Don't forget to subscribe if you're here to do that. And thank you. See you in the next video. For now, do have a blessed weekend. Bye.